Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the SKIMS Swarovski collaboration limited edition cotton rib boxer in the color marble. Well, we're actually not trying it on, but we are going to take a look at it. So of course it does come in this beautiful SKIMS silver packaging. And this item we actually received without all of the extras. So be sure to take a look at our other unboxings for how it should come. So this is actually illuminating of what you can get when you're purchasing a returned item. So along the waistband, there is the Swarovski SKIMS Swarovski Crystal name brand embellishment. It honestly was so striking in person. I didn't think that it was going to be as impressive because I did see the pink one and I wasn't as blown away by it, but the white and later the heather gray, which I will post on the channel as well, were just so nice. There is a stretch going up and down, but it doesn't go vertical. So I think that's pretty typical with this kind of material, but just keep that in mind. The waistband is stretchy. It does give some give, and we did try them on, although not on camera, and they were very comfortable. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.